In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payhip with Stripe to receive payments, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. So whether you're setting up for the first time or just need a quick refresher, stay tuned. First things first, let's get you logged into your Payhip account. Head over to the Payhip website and enter your login details, your email and password if you've already got an account. If not, you might need to pause the video here and set up an account before you proceed. It's important to have everything ready to ensure a smooth process. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the Account tab. You should see a drop-down menu appear. From there, select Settings. This section holds all the critical information you'll need to configure your account's backend. Under Settings, find and click on Payment Details. It's crucial that we get this part right because this is where you'll set up how you'll be paid. Now, you should see an option to connect Stripe. Clicking this link will start the process of linking your Payhip account with Stripe. Stripe is a technology company that builds economic infrastructure for the internet, making it a popular choice for handling online transactions. Click Connect Stripe and you'll be taken to the Stripe website. It's pretty straightforward from here. If you have a Stripe account, you'll just need to log in. If not, this is the moment to sign up for one. It's free and only takes a couple of minutes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up if needed. After logging in, Stripe will prompt you to connect it with Payhip. This is done through an authorization process to ensure that both accounts can communicate and share secure financial information properly. You'll be guided through a series of prompts. Pay close attention here, as authorizing the connection between Payhip and Stripe is a crucial step. This authorization allows your Payhip sales to be deposited into your bank account via Stripe, while also ensuring the security and legitimacy of those transactions. Don't worry, the prompts are clear and easy to follow, and you can always double-check each step if you're unsure about anything. Once you've successfully navigated through the authorization process, you're all set. Stripe is now connected to your Payhip account for receiving payments. The connection is established, which means you can start taking payments without hassle, allowing you to focus more on creating and less on configuring. And there you have it. Your Payhip account is now configured and ready to receive payments via Stripe. Remember, keeping your payment platforms connected and secure is vital for efficient business operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped streamline setting up your payment process. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing for more tech tutorials like this one.